Porque mamá huevo. Ay, bro.
Morning, traders. Welcome to another live stream session. Happy Monday. Today is Monday, December 4th. Let's jump right into the charts because there's a lot of movement. That we're having in the markets. So this is the ES chart. By the way, we only have one piece of news today. It's not something that is very impactful. We do have factory orders at 10. It's a yellow folder. So that is something that is not stressing me out today. But tomorrow we do have ISM services PMI and JOLTS job openings. That's very good. That's very important. It's gonna end up moving the markets. And then the rest of the week we have a lot of like employment and non-employment numbers. We have the Bank of Canada tomorrow. Sorry, on Wednesday. The rate decision. That's on Wednesday. On Thursday, pretty quiet, just unemployment claims, the usual for Thursday. And on Friday we have NFP and unemployment rate. And then University of Michigan consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. So that's the outlook for the week. Is very busy, like every first week of a month. We're gonna have a rollover probably later this week or next week. So we will be monitoring the volume to see when the March contract is going to um the March contract is gonna come in effect. Pearson, can you hear me? Can you guys hear me? I think you can hear me, no? Hello? Hello? Yeah, I think audio is good. Yo, Trader Natic. Okay. Thank you. Thank you guys. All right, so this is the chart that I have today. I have this green high volume node, the COT here on this area. This includes the overnight, but the COT is off of the RTH. I like to see the RTH preferably instead of the overnight. Okay, the overnight anyway is a lot lower volume. So my expectation of this area is probably breaking this pivot and could attract some buyers to have a tradable reaction to the upside, but I'm not very eager to take this one just because it's in the middle of the range. I would have expected that the market would bounce around this area, like 77 or 80. That will give me more confidence into the long. But since we start breaking all these pivots and these supports around 77, now I'm more skeptical. I'm leaning a little bit more towards the short side just because I see the dollar break into the upside. And here's the chart for the dollar. This is the dollar and this is the 10-year yield. I see the dollar break into the upside very, very strongly. And look, it's coming from this area. I did not have this one marked off, but it's bouncing very strongly. And look, there's some demand here. The best part of the demand is this one, but we did have a consolidation here for like a week and a half, and that's important, right? So now that we're off, I'm gonna mark off the overnight low here because I was about to do it, but this thing was moving so fast. I want to have my overnight here. First, I want to see if this is the overnight. There you go. That's the overnight. Locked. Cool. Nice. I have Ale on Discord. He's not here in the same room, but we are on Discord. So welcome, Ale.
Hello, everyone.
Nice.
One
So
of you can hear me.
yeah, can you hear? Can you hear him? Nice. All right. Cool. Everything is working pretty good. Now I think I can activate the thing. This thing. The all right. Let's go to the. You sure, Ale?
Yo,
Yeah, I know. He should be on.
if not, it doesn't matter.
All right, I'm gonna go to the stream. Pretty low. Yeah, I'm gonna raise a little bit his volume. And then I have this. There you go. Here on the left, you can see the participants on the Discord. 2950. Yeah. All right, cool. So let's focus on the trading. Yellow line is a range extension line. What I do is I use the ATR just to estimate for based on the ATR what's the range possibility, what's the chances, what are the chances for the range to expand, which is not very low. The ATR is in the low of the cycle, if you will, and it tends to bounce a little bit. It works like the VIX, right? When it goes down, goes up. When it goes up, it tends to go down, right? Unless there is like a major event or something.
What do you think about the tick chart?
I haven't seen it yet. I'm gonna give it a couple more minutes. I published a new video. It's about my performance on November and what I'm doing in December based on that. So go ahead when we finish up this slide and like it and subscribe to the channel. That's how I learned, is making those type of videos, reviewing my trades and so on. That's a big learning experience. All right, do you have advanced decline bouncing from minus 16 to minus 1000? Yeah, you have here.
Very positive.
Yeah, very positive. But let's give it some time to settle, just to. And look, there are many things that are happening at the open when you gap down. You have short covering, and you're gapping down to an area, right? So you have short covering, you have potential like buyers there. We need to wait for it to settle, and then try to have the best direction analysis. Now I like 68 feet, 68 3/4 and 69 3/4. Those are very important points there. Let's see if we can have a retest of that. Now advanced decline is shooting up. Tick chart is finally reaching 0. Yo, Ale, you told me you had
I have
you
40,
no
45,
no
77,
no
3/4.
no,
Hmm?
but yeah, but what was the your COT? 70 to
That's my
77
my COT 71 to 77. Yeah, that's what I was looking for a break of that zone, then a retest of that 75.
for the long,
Actually, for the short, for
for
the
the
short.
short.
Yeah, a retest of 75. Maybe an entry for the short, but the internals are too bullish. Honestly, to be thinking short.
Yeah, no, I'm not thinking short, honestly. Not right now with the advanced decline. I might wait for 68, to be honest. I want to see if 68 and the ADD. I want to see if it doesn't start to go up to go down. I might take 68. Now we don't have like a range, like an opening range on the volume bar. It is more like a straight shoot up. So we might make a new low. We might make a new low and then
Keep going up,
bounce. What?
and then keep going up. If we
I
make a new
mean,
low,
bro, bro, look at the internals. It's
yeah,
crazy. That's very positive.
yeah,
Huh?
yeah,
Although
very, very.
we're down 0.60, right? More than half of a percent. The advanced decline is not very negative. It's about to close the gap. Um, RTY is positive. NQ is very negative though. NQ is trying to drag the other ones. Um, I want to see Fangs. I want to see Fangs. Uh, I'm impressed that Fangs are going down, and but is in an area that is very important. It's not like I think it's gonna reflect sooner or later. And now you have here at 75 you had negative deltas, and now this one positive at 74, 45, 74. There you go. So now probably more downside below 72 3/4. Bro, I'm gonna take 74.
Or
No, no,
hmm?
no. Tick is very bullish. I mean,
Mm,
not spending
mm-hmm.
it's not spending time below zero, and now advanced decline is resuming its move to the upside. RTY and Dow are the stronger.
I want to see aggressive buying here in the footprint and like no follow through, like 1,000 delta, and the bar is just like neutral.
Well, you did have. the candle at 9:39. Um, that's why
I
I'm
mean, look,
thinking
I don't know if
that,
my look. There's over 600 buying there on Delta, and the candle's not moving at all.
yeah, and the previous one minus 600, and
I don't know,
the
but take. Sorry.
that's the thing, the tick chart. That's what I don't like. Tick chart is what I don't like. Just need to see a bounce from zero, so see if I can take these 72 3/4 to the downside as a retest. 3 more minutes for the 15-minute candle to close. I mean, the dollar broke to the upside, bro, and now it's retesting the same demand. Let's see. The same supply, like a break and retest.
Mm-hmm.
I think 72 3/4. If we break that to the downside and we have, I think it's the advanced decline, bro. Look at that shit. It's about to reach
Yeah,
zero.
I don't know.
Yeah.
If anything, I'll take a long of the pop if we get a pop to the downside, but I don't know.
But we're at, for me, is,
66.
yeah, for me, it's 67 or something. I think 67 3/4, 68 3/4 are two. Two more minutes for this 15.
Bro, ADD is now at 0. That is a nice run up.
Yeah. Does anyone knows any reason why the market is gapping down? Any news? I didn't see anything. New 15 in 10 seconds.
Yeah.
All right, new 15 minutes. Yeah, internals are overly bullish.
What do you like?
Now the long all the way. The dollar is starting to drop a little
Bounce.
bit. Yeah, it's bouncing off of the supply, same supply as Friday. So based on the internals, I will go to for the long. Based on the dollar, um, not so sure about the long, but the overall market structure is positive. So I will always prefer to long. And look, we're still dropping big time, and now advanced decline is positive, right? Um, RTY is positive. Uh, the Dow is about to close the gap. Um, I just don't want to rush into.
Oh,
There's
yeah,
a
that's
dis.
right.
Yeah, there's a disconnection, bro. There's a disconnection between NQ and the rest of the market. Um.
Thank you is dropping.
Oh yeah, NQ is dropping big time. NQ is dropping big time,
Oh yeah.
1.2%.
Oh yeah. Wow.
Yeah. And I go to the Fangs and I see how Fangs are breaking important pivots. It's coming off of a supply that I had, and that's probably dragging the NQ down. Is 30% of the index is just seven stocks. Um, so Alphabet, Microsoft, Apple, they're all dropping more than 1%. Tesla is minus zero point 0.6. Meta is minus 3. Nvidia is minus 3. Amazon minus 2. Yeah. Like a racetrack to the upside. This is not a violent move to the upside, to be honest. And we do have some break and retest zones like right there, 76 to 87. We need to be careful with this. Um, we need to be careful with this area because this is an area of demand. This is where we broke on Friday, right? Sellers were here. We broke on Fridays with Jerome Powell's uh, speech, and now the retest of this was violated. So a lot of people that were long here are probably underwater, right? So we need to be careful with this 76 area. Now, for me, it's difficult because I have such a bullish internals that I'm not very enthusiastic about taking a short here. Um, 72. Bro, I'm taking 75, but oh shit, no. Now, how am I gonna take this 75, bro? Look at the internals. Ale.
You want to take a short on
I,
of
I, I,
75?
I really wanted to, but no, I'm gonna just
I mean,
contempt.
it's
Yeah.
one of those zones that's it's either you take it or you don't. It's not.
No,
Maybe they could be responsive selling there.
I'm gonna
I
pass.
don't know.
I am going to pass. Like I really wanted to short here at 75, but I'm going to pass. I'm just gonna make an extra effort this month of December to trade with the internals. If you see the video that I posted today, there were 4 trades last month that could have made a lot of difference in my trading performance, right? Those 4 trades costed me 50% of profits. Not because I risked too much, is because they were not aligned with the internals. Like the one that I wanted to take here at 75, simply not aligned. It's just not aligned. Even though I want to take a short, there's no place for the short right now. The only place for the short will be a divergence. The divergence. We need to have like a good divergence for me to take a short. Um, we're having a single divergence on the advanced line. I don't know, Jay probably working today.
What do you mean a single divergence?
I mean, we have a one divergence on the advanced line. The candle at 949 is the high, and then a 52 has a new high, but lower high on the advanced line, right? Now, a double divergence will be if we make a new high here above 78, and that might come. That would be a better type of divergence for the short, right? Now we're start having a little bit more aggressiveness in the advanced decline towards the south, right? So I think I'm gonna take this Ale 75. Yeah, 75.50. I have my order there. Yeah, I'm definitely going for this for the short now. Tell.
Yeah. I don't want to
75,
engage yet.
75.50 is my entry.
The tick is printing nice
Yeah, yeah,
for
no.
the
Right
short.
now it's good. Probably in 3 minutes we will have the entry. Yeah, that's initiative selling, bro. Look at the advanced decline, Ale.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. 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 Well, where do you like it? 75, 74
75,
maybe?
70, no, 75 three quarters is my entry. Sorry, 75.50. There you have it here.
Yeah, I see it now.
Yeah. I'm gonna use the bathroom. One minute for the next 15. Hopefully, we can have the entry of 75 three quarters.
No. Dale, pues.
New 15. That's what we want to see. Come on, give us 75. Yeah, not really. I don't think 75 is a reality.
Hmm.
Come on. Bro, I really don't want to suffer from FOMO. I'm gonna leave my order there. Um, but I do think is too much to ask. 75. Yo, you're late, bro. Ale, 75 is an
Yo,
illusion. Forget about 75. That shit is not going to 75. Forget about it.
think we can reach 50, 45, 50.
Yeah. That's what we're going towards, right? I do think. Let's see if we can break the opening low. Is where we were at, right? Yeah. Honestly, I don't like the long. Even though I'm expecting it. I'm expecting a retracement to the upside so I can get in. We were too slow, bro. I think we were too slow on the advanced decline analysis. Hmm? Don't you think?
Mm, I don't know, bro. It could be a
Like
double
I
edge knife too.
I spotted the divergence, but I spotted the divergence, but no. Could it be 72? No, no, I'm not beating myself up. Simply that I had the area. I was conscious of it, but I was not able to act fast enough. All right, I still have my order there at 75 75
I want to
75
see
50.
ADD going lower,
Why?
and I want to see ADD break the lows that it has right now,
Bro,
and then
it has a divergence. It's creating a new high here and it's creating a lower high in the advanced
yeah,
decline.
but
So
you see a pivot on the ADD, the one right below this. Like I wanted to break that low, that previous like pivot right there, and then I want this thing to go a little bit higher, and I'll take like an I don't know, I'll take a market. Honestly,
it
I'll sell
that's
market.
the thing. I'll be so fucking close to the demand, which is 68 that I'm not attracted to it. That's why I haven't put
Yeah,
a trade because it's so fucking close to the green area that
yeah.
it makes no sense. The only thing I don't want to see is tick chart reaching plus 900 or 1,000 before I am gonna take this trade. Minus 4 500, sorry, plus 4 500 is fine. Nor I want to see the advanced climb making new highs. That's for sure. 69 3/4. Bro,
But
no, Narik is long at 69 3/4. I do think my entry is at 75, so I'm expecting it to go up a little bit, but it's too weak. It's very weak. Like tick chart has gotten to plus 300. That's it. No signal of strong bias. Oh, you're out. Yeah.
bro, Tick is looking very bullish.
Like I said, I don't want to see this tick plus 900 or something. Just want to see it there plus 4 or 5. Advanced decline is resuming its way to the upside.
And we're consolidating like here. Like the short would have been better if we went straight up to your entry and then
Yeah, that's true. Oh my goodness, I'm frustrated.
pretty conflicting. It's pretty conflicting.
I mean, it's changing rapidly. We are not adapting. But to be honest, I think the short is a better possibility right now. Um, advanced decline is not doing a new high. Tick chart is barely going to 500. New 15 in 3 minutes. So let's see. I'm gonna keep the order on unless something dramatically changes, but I'm gonna keep the order on. Yo, close your gate a little bit because I hear the
Fine.
background noise. Yeah, yeah. You know how to do it? Let's see if we can have these entry at 75. Bro, NQ is at its lows, basically. Yo, a lot of selling there, bro. Look at that. Oof. You're in? I mean, you do you hear me? I don't hear you.
Hello?
Yeah.
I was like in the 66 a lot. I'm not gonna lie. But the ticker's not giving me any clear like direction.
Well, it's
Like
more
look
positive
at
right
it.
now. It's a little bit more positive, don't you think?
Yeah, it is more positive, but it's not like a sustained above zero. It's not like giving like a clear direction. ADD is a little bit. I say the ADD is more bullish than the tick, honestly. But
Yeah.
I don't know. I just want to wait. because right now it's looking pretty bearish. So the chart is looking pretty bearish. NQ is pretty bearish.
Yeah, NQ is dragging the ES.
Can you still hear my background, by the way, or no?
No. $15,798. 798. What is that? What is that, Jay? You wanna get long there? Are you gonna wait for that to be broken and then you take the short? Yeah, it is pretty hard for it to reach. Like tick has been positive, and this shit is going down, Ale. Huh?
Hmm. Hmm.
NQ is dragging this thing.
I think it's starting to bleed a little. Yeah, but I don't think I'm gonna take a short here.
Yeah, there's no momentum on the sell either. Tick is not responding. $71.25. All right. I mean, the only thing with 71, bro, is that it's so close to this green area that just I'd rather just get in here and then have the momentum to break it, right? Um, that's me, but I need to be more patient. So. And honestly, I think the short is a better trade than the long right now. Yeah, I have 45, 53, 25, like my ultimate target. This is something that I'm learning. That the opening range, for instance, when the opening range is so straight, not opening range breakout, but it has no like two or three pivots, is is not a good area to rely on later during the trading session. So I stop relying in this opening range if it doesn't have at least two pivots. And I'll show you an example like Fridays. Look at Fridays. Where is Fridays? Yeah, has a pivot. It has another one, right? That's what I got in long around here, 66. Now you do have a big divergence on the advanced line to the upside, Ale. But look at the NQ, 1.6
Yeah, but
negative.
I will only
Shit.
take it if we reach this demand right here.
Where at?
52. You have a demand there too?
No, mine is 42.50. I don't have a demand actually. I mean, this is 3 in the afternoon. Now, I will not take any of that shit, man. Mine is 42.50, honestly. I want to get in this short somewhere, probably 68.
Overnight low, maybe?
Yeah. What do we have in the overnight low?
A
Yeah,
pivot.
we didn't have much activity there. No. 60 66.50 probably. 65, 66.
I mean, the overnight low is, what day is this? What day is this?
Nice. Nice, Narek. Good trade. Mine was very close, like 2 points off of getting filled. But look, it's a better business for me just to wait for my order to be triggered. I'm canceling this order and waiting for another setup. In terms of the direction, short is the one. Um, Wait for the retracement to I would say 56 sorry 66, 60, 70, somewhere around there. Bro, NQ is minus 1.7. That's good. And he's dragging uh he's dragging the rest of the market. Like RTY was positive at some point, 0.7%. I mean, 53 is it was my ultimate target. But my
33.
demand 53. No, Natick held the trade of I think to 59, right? You said 59. Um
What was his entry?
71.
Oh, it's a nice trade.
Yeah, 21 25 creo. But look, we're coming off of supplies. Look at what happened on Friday. This is Friday. This is the supply that we had. Yes, that we had it here for a while. We had this supply for a while. So we came here around 12 and then we started to paste. Now we gapped down and we're building value below the gap. So that's powerful. That means that is this is an indicative or of short-term bearishness in the market. Okay, it's starting to break some of the demands that we're supposed to hold, right? Just to continue with the market structure on the short time frame. How come three and eights? Three and eights? Yeah, I need to see it. 10:30. Looks like a not trade day for me. I'm not thinking long whatsoever. And the shorts that I might take are friggin' bad location. Like very bad. 65. 70 might be a better, but it's not something that I'm very enthusiastic though. Some bits getting hit here.
Bro, it's a very aggressive bar.
Buying. Yeah. High
Yeah,
volume.
it's a very aggressive buying there.
Yeah, that's short covering probably. Bro, it's short covering. Look at the tick. It barely went to zero, bro. It barely went to zero. And if we break 58.50, sayonara, that's going lower. It's gonna be going. Yeah, that's not a good. That's not a reliable candle. It's just short covering. I don't know what's going on. I slept a lot, but I'm like tired.
And you did the pool this morning too, right? You did the cup lunch.
Yeah, yeah. I did a cold plunge. I did my breathing. I did everything, but I'm like tired, and I have to go work out
Could it be
to
because
wake
you went out
myself
with?
up. Second?
Could it be because you went out with Trader Addict this weekend?
Oh no, for sure. Yeah, I went out. I didn't sleep good from Saturday to Sunday. It's taking a toll of me. Down, down, down. So at this point, I think the high of the day is in, right? Can we say that, Ale?
Yeah, positive. 100%. Unless we have like a crazy reversal, but I doubt it.
Banks are reaching out. I'm reaching a demand right there. I don't know. Doesn't look it doesn't look pretty for the market. I think we have more downside. I mean, we can reach 50, 48, 50, and still be within the range. Hmm? Yeah, gold is moving big time today. Wow. That's a move, bro, from 2150 to wow. 120 points. Shit, that's big. Bro, one thing that I don't like about the short, Ali, is that we don't
Hmm.
have momentum to the downside. Look at that shit. Yeah, it's skewed to the downside, but it doesn't, it hasn't printed minus 800, minus 1,000. Hmm? Don't you think?
Mm, yeah, I mean, it has printed good negative numbers, but it's not like a trending day, like a full downside day. I mean, it's still pretty early in the day,
Yeah, no,
but
now this candle, this candle is showing up a little bit of strength. This is not short covering. Look at the tick chart. Look at the tick chart.
it'll be another fair rally.
Hmm,
Hmm.
I don't know. It didn't look like. It did not look like. Although it created the COT for the candle is 59.25. Hmm. But look at Tick. Now Tick had a very good reaction towards the upside, and same for the advanced decline. And look, we don't have momentum to the downside. Yeah, the market is dropping, but on low momentum. That can attract buyers like myself. I'm thinking about the long big time. I tell.
What's your location?
Um, I think honestly, 57.25. Yeah, I'm gonna
I
take a
mean,
long
the
there.
ADD is shooting up.
Yeah. Uh
I like 56 as the beginning of my. It's gonna be a very aggressive entry. It's the very beginning of my demand.
yeah, I'm in it. Let's
You're
see
in it
if
long.
yeah, if tick chart does not break zero, I'll hold on to this trade. If tick chart goes below, then I'll just close that and I'll take whatever I'm losing. This is a counter trend trade. Um oh yeah, tick is going lower. Tick is going lower. Wait for it. Advanced decline as well.
How much are you risking on the trade?
It's 4 points. Yeah, at this point,
I don't think the location was the best.
you think location is not
No,
good?
We don't have you don't have anything there.
Yeah.
We don't really have anything. That cat bounce of no man's land. But we did have aggressive selling, aggressive buying on the footprint.
That's the only thing, yeah.
That was your sign of
That
entry.
was my sign, and that we don't have momentum to the downside. Like we
Yeah,
have
we got
drop,
in the.
huh?
I'll be honest with you. I like the long better than the short. I I don't know about this location for me, for my, because
Mm.
I'm
Yeah, I want to see tick going above zero. I want to tick going above zero. Yeah, no, not really. It's bouncing off of it. So it might be a dead cat bounce.
AD is trending higher, so
Yeah,
the trade
that
doesn't look
is.
bad. The
I
trade
mean,
does not look bad at all.
that is what I was paying attention to. But we do have a
What's the
lot of
target?
resistance. It's
65.
65. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not a bad target, honestly.
No, no, it's very realistic.
The trade does not look bad at all. It just has to break 60.
Tick is positive, but like we were saying, yeah, my location is not great. Yeah, it has to break 60, and we don't have like a momentum. Now, advanced decline is
Mm,
looking better.
I do feel like momentum is shifting to the upside now. We lost a lot of momentum to the downside.
Yeah, I'm just,
But if we get another fail rally, because look, we have one
yeah,
at
yeah.
1033, another one at 1039, and then let's see if we can. This one can actually work. If not, then this thing might go lower. But it's not looking bad, honestly.
I mean, tick is sustained above zero. I'm gonna just put break even. I don't like the location. That's it.
Mm,
Yeah. I really don't like the location. I'd rather just get out of this trade and wait for another one. Yeah, I'm out. Yeah, look at the tick chart. See that?
yeah.
We should have had a plus 500, 400 if this thing was going up. So break even is not bad.
Honestly, no.
We don't have momentum to the downside either. To be honest,
Mm-mm.
we do not have momentum. Bro, and
Maybe a
my
no
other,
trade day for me.
yeah, and well, NQ is about to reach some demands here at like 20 points below.
Bro, I want to take it long, but I'm not very convinced of the location.
I mean, yeah, that's the thing. I like the long more now that the tick chart is advanced decline is also showing a little bit of strength. And bro, advanced decline is minus 90 and we're dropping 1%.
Mm.
This should be like minus 1500, honestly. But obviously is because of Fangs. Like NQ is dragging this thing down. Um, at the end of the day, I think the advanced decline prevails, right? The overall market should prevail.
BRB. I get some more.
Yeah.
Yup.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so the location was not good.
Yeah.
Should have break even.
Yeah, no. Yeah, I didn't like the location for sure. Like I would have expected the tick chart to give me a better print, but nope. Now we're diverging big time for the long. I mean the long is starting to look better.
What do you think? What do you think about 52? Too far.
52 now.
What do you like for the long?
Uh bro, I have
I
42. I know it looks
uh,
crazy. I know it looks
no,
crazy. But why not? Like you were skeptical about 4550 earlier. And the
45.50.
yeah, yeah, you were skeptical. You were skeptical
Yeah,
about that earlier like yeah. And
yeah.
we're there.
Maybe
Like,
45.50.
no, we're 4555. But let's see what happens. Let's see if we create something. We might create. I mean, it's if a lot of orders come in,
Maybe a no trade for me.
I have break even. That's fine. 40, 45, 48. Mm. and Q is minus 1.8. The Dow is minus 50. Now, freaking Russell is positive. That's that what tells me that Banks is what is dragging this thing. Just need to pay attention to them, see if they're bouncing. We might have a bounce.
Bro, this is so annoying having to toggle between footprint and RTH and
Oh, yeah.
internals
Oh,
in
you're,
one
you're,
minute.
you're jumping back and forth.
Yeah, it
Shit.
sucks not having my 200 monitors.
Yeah. So I had the auto 75, it got to 73. And then it went to 54. Well, the good part is that we were right in the direction. Um, Still, we think short is the higher probability. That's why I got in the long and no follow through. I immediately closed it. Those are the candles of short covering, Ale. Like this one. See that? Tick chart is bouncing slowly, not even zero.
Yeah, I don't think the long will be. Bro, look at the tick. Look at the overall tick.
Yeah, yeah, no, it's negative.
I don't think long will be very wise. It doesn't matter the zone.
No, no, I mean Pinecrest, bro. Is um, I'm in Pinecrest. That's like 30 minutes from there. That's where the Miami Dade College is, right, Jay? You around there? Ninja Trader Control E.
So no more trades for today.
It doesn't look like.
Hmm. There was not really any shorts besides the one they had at 75 in our got there.
What?
That there was no any clear trades besides the 75 that you had, but we never got to that zone to that level. So
No, no, I didn't have any. I mean, I had 76 three quarters, like this one, but it's a flip zone. Like internals were
let me
very
see.
bullish here.
Let me
Here,
see.
yeah, internals were
Oh, okay.
very, very bullish. So
Yeah.
I turned negative here, and then I put the order at 75, but never came back.
What is that zone that you have there? That gray one right there.
Bro, is this one? Is a demand from Friday? Is this demand? All this. We broke the high. We came here. We rejected, and then we broke to the upside. All this area.
BRB.
Yo, yo, vale. Bro, I don't hear you. 5750 probably for the long. I'm in. I am in another channel. Just give me 2 seconds. I'm doing a thing, and I'm about to take a trade, I think, and then we chat. Give me 1 second.
I'm back.
Where were you?
I'm back.
Where were you?
You taking anything?
Yeah,
Oh
I'm.
shit, you're in a short, right?
Yeah, I'm sure, but I don't think it's working very well. Let's see if we have follow through here. The tick chart finally got to
Hey,
zero. I don't want it to go
I can't
above
hear
zero.
you,
Yeah.
buddy.
Oh, you cannot hear me? Oh yeah, I was muted. I was muted. Yeah, I just want to see tick not going above zero, and it
Um,
looks like it's going right. Yeah, holding up there. Let's see if this can bring me a better.
okay.
Can
I can hear you now.
you?
Why is that short?
Bro, look at the advanced decline. Look at the tick. Now, location is not the best one, but
No,
hmm? The fuck, bro.
I I I don't know about this trade, bro.
Yeah, it was a
I mean, if it
retest.
if it works, it works. If it works, it works. But I don't know.
Yeah, no.
Hmm.
Yeah, right now it's just yeah, tick chart bounced strongly from minus 500.
And
Advanced
bro, look at the
decline.
footprint. Look at the footprint at 1131.
What
Decent.
minus?
Like I have my footprint showing negative 600 to 44 positive.
Really, mine minus 200. But yeah,
But let me let me
let me
reload
refresh.
that. Yeah, I'm gonna reload my historical data too.
Yeah.
11. Oh, I mean, yeah, negative 600 to negative 200, but still.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I mean,
I mean, just pay your trade, but I don't know.
yeah, no, tick chart is now showing strength. Tick chart is now showing strength. And the thing is that there's a new 15 minutes. The momentum can just fuck me over, bro. Momentum is gonna kill me. Yeah. Yeah. Like we might have flipped. We might have
I I
flipped.
I don't know if we might have flipped, but
I mean, it doesn't look great. It doesn't look great. Like I'm taking a lot of heat. And buyers are showing up every time we have a red candle.
I mean, take it still below zero, but
Yeah, that's a positive. That's a positive part here.
what will be your target
That's the
if the
thing.
trade plays out?
49 three quarters. I mean, tick is below zero. Advanced decline is not very negative, but uh, it's showing negative signs. Probably my entry at 61. Well, it's just 1 point. It's not much. That's the thing. Here's what I need to see the tick not bouncing and just going straight down for this trade to work out. Know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I see the ticket looks pretty good. 80s pointing down. I don't know. I don't know about the location.
Location is not the best one. That's true. Yeah, it's a lot of selling there, no follow through. Yeah, tick is bouncing, bro, from minus 600. There's no momentum to either side.
Yeah, but it could bounce from zero.
That's what I don't like when it bounces from minus 500, because it gets exhausted. At the end, it gets exhausted. We haven't been able even to broken the previous 5-minute low. Yeah, that is probably it. Yeah, that's just a bad trade, bro. Again, footprint is showing strength.
Mm, is it really showing strength in the footprint? I haven't seen any.
Yeah. And now the 5-minute looks very good to the upside, to be honest. The 5-minute chart looks very bullish. Up to 66. That means that it's going to stop me out.
Let's see, bro. Tick is holding the zero.
Yeah, tick is holding.
You don't want it to sharply break zero though. It's a nice hold there. If ADD broke it's that pivot at 11, I'll be more confident on this trade. But
Yeah. 59 is strong. 59 is strong. This is the last 5 minute of the
What was your entry? 59 one quarter.
yeah. But I had a limit over there.
Oh, was a little bit order?
Yeah. On its way up. Yeah. Hmm. Doesn't look like it's going. Yeah, now tick chart broke to the upside, bro. Realistically, the 5 minute looks very bullish. I think this might have been a boredom trade, bro.
I
Honestly.
was gonna ask you. I was gonna ask you.
Yeah. Yeah, I freaking
I
just.
was, I was gonna ask you if this was a boredom trade.
Yeah, it might have been like. Now everything looks very bullish, including the 15 minutes. And the 5 minute looks very good to the upside.
Yeah, bro. Are you gonna take the full loss?
Yeah, at this point, yes. I mean, yeah, look at the tick chart. God damn it. Yeah, it's absolutely no bueno. Ah, yeah, yeah. That was such a bad. I mean, not because it didn't work, but it was a boredom trade. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest with you. The location was not
Yeah, no, no,
just.
very bad.
Yeah, yeah. The location just maybe you were looking for the break and retest, but it was very aggressive of
On
your
my
your
side, yeah.
yeah. The entry maybe was too aggressive. Your entry was
Yeah.
like at the border of the zoo. Oh yeah.
What? Yeah, it was after this rejection, I got in here.
Yeah. I mean, it can still work. You're still in the trade.
I mean, yes, but I don't put too much trust to it. Like, look at the tick chart. Fucking bullish. It's just a
I mean,
what?
we could have retested the. It could have been a break and retest of the overnight low.
I mean, yes, but look what the entry is 63, bro. The stop would be
Mm,
66, 67, right? Now my stop is fucking 64. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna be stepped out of this friggin' shitty trade. Yeah, boredom is very dangerous though. Very
Yeah.
dangerous.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Uh,
And advanced decline is very, very good for the long. Yeah, thinking that this thing is gonna drop is just delusional. I have the overnight low there, but yeah, there's no point. There's nothing. Like advanced decline is showing strength, tick chart is showing strength, everything is fucking showing strength. Now you have seller's trap there at 63.50. This thing is gonna accelerate its way up. Yeah, I'm out of it.
yeah. I mean, you kept the loss small at least. No,
Yeah, it's not something like it's.
I mean, compared to your winners, it's not bad. But that trade,
No, but it's a
you
shitty
cannot take
trade.
that trade. Yeah, you
Yeah,
cannot take that trade.
it's a very bad trade. Now the NQ is bouncing. Yeah, and I don't think the opening price will put any pressure though, because we didn't have a range. I think 75 is a supply, or at least 67. But at this point, I don't see the I don't see the
Now,
short. Huh?
I wouldn't take it. I mean, 67 could be an entry, but I wouldn't take it. 67, 68. Well, you have the pivot at 10:03. You have the sell off at 10:20. But I just want to take it. I just want to take it. 75 doesn't look bad, honestly. 75, 76. But it's too late in the day. Probably gonna be lunch hour by the time it gets there.
Yeah, I'm gonna go
Trader
lunch.
Nardic. Trader Nardic was saying if you can join the Discord.
Yeah, we can do it later. All right, guys. think it's time for me to take lunch. See you guys tomorrow. Take care. Trade safe. Bye bye.